Okay, ready? I'm going fast. Okay, ready? Are you having fun?
Yeah.
Whoa, who's having fun?
Me.
Who's having fun?
Me.
Oh. Who's having fun? You want to go high?
Yeah.
Okay, Parker, you want to go high? Parker, stay on. Here, ready? Ready, go high?
No, I don't want to go.
There, we're only going to go that high. There. Whoa, hold on. Okay, smile. Who's having fun? Alright, hang on. Alright, you guys got to do it yourself. Ready? Whoa. Okay, pump. Nathan, push with your feet. Push with your feet. Push with your feet. Come on, Park. There you go. Come on, you guys are pushing it. And you guys... Oh, alright, ready? Come on. Ready? Whoa. Don't hang on to that. You're going to fall. Don't do that.
Whoa,
Whoa. Hey, are you having fun? Whoa. Are you having fun?
Yes, Daddy. Me too.
Want to go faster? Okay, ready, Park?
Yeah.
Hold on. Whoa! Oh, turbulence! Whoa! Whoa! I'm shaking it. The camera's gonna get you boing. Oh, boing. Oh, boing. Okay, you wanna go fast again?
No.
Parker, okay, get off then. My turn. Okay, Park, push me. Whoa! Whoa! Parker fell over. Look at me. Whoa, hold on. Parker, you're gonna get knocked over. Hey, Nathan. Say hi.
Hi.
Hey, Park. Okay, Nathan, here, try this one. Come on. Try this one. I fixed it. Look it.
I want to try that.
Try this one. I fixed it.
Yeah?
Yeah, run and jump. Run and grab it. Give him a little push, Park. Parker, give him a little push. Whoa!
He's going back. My turn.
Okay, you do it now. Nathan, you like that, huh? Do you need help?
Yeah. Whoa, help.
Okay, grab the elevator. Okay, come on. Okay, grab the elevator. 2 hands.
Huh?
2 hands, I said. Nathan, grab it 2 hands.
Huh?
Yep, okay, ready?
I'm running another.
Okay, ready?
Yeah.
Whoa! Whoa! Who's having fun?
I am.
Hey, Parker, is Daddy fun?
I am fun.
Hey, Parker. Hey. Hey, Park.
We're going fast.
Hello. Hey, Parker. Hello.
We're going up.
Parker. Hello.
Hi.
Hey.
Hello.
Is Daddy fun?
Hi.
Hey, Nathan.
Hi.
Nathan, am I fun?
Hi. No.
Oh, thank you.
Hi.
Okay, you guys want to say bye to camera?
Bye. Bye.
Say see you later.
See you later. See ya.